Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola here, AE29 Fashion. So I had a couple of dresses I needed to make over the last few days, and I thought you guys would like to see what I made. So here it is. So guys, just so you know, this video is not a tutorial. It's just me showing you what I made. I made 3 dresses in total. I hope you like them. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see more videos like this, or you do want to see some tutorials.